Still not clear when students will be able to return to school. But now the question is, what will the classrooms even look like when that does happen? For more on that, let's go live to Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino in Bloomfield for us tonight. So I've been wondering about this, what my kids are going to be doing in school. And do you have any answers for us, Mike?
Well, Dennis, it's still not completely clear because a lot of schools really don't have a plan in place yet. But what we're hearing from one of the biggest teachers' unions is that remote learning could still be in the cards for at least a little while longer.
I think going back to school the way we knew it before now is a long time, if ever, in the cards for us.
Like a lot of things, schools are not set up for social distancing, at least not schools as we know it. But things could look radically different whenever class resumes. Some changes include a hybrid system where students take turns going to school. Everyone else continues with remote learning.
The schools have to have the ability to say, we're not going to have all of our children in the building at the same time.
Governor Ned Lamont has ordered schools remain closed until May 20th. Beyond that, things are unclear. Some of you told us on Facebook today that it's time for students to go back to school. Those parents are worried their kids are missing out on socialization, and some need support from teachers and tutors, but Leak says the state needs more time.
We think we should do it very cautiously.
Only 14% of Americans think it's a good idea to send students back to school without more testing for COVID-19, according to a poll Wednesday from NPR, PBS, and Marist College. 85% of respondents say it's a bad idea.
We should continue with the distancing until more data comes in, and we need to be listening to the experts on this, not for political reasons.
Parents calling for a return point out kids are less likely to die from or face serious cases of COVID-19, but others are worried kids can give the virus to more vulnerable family members. They also say it's difficult to get kids to follow CDC guidelines.
My husband is a retail worker and he's got to wear a mask for 8 hours a day and he hates it. I can't imagine my 6 and 7-year-old trying to wear them.
Now, we've certainly heard complaints that distance learning isn't going smoothly, but Leak says there's some things that can be done to help when we start to, if we have to rather, go to a year-long remote learning, including more training for staff and also better access to internet and equipment for both students and teachers. Reporting live from Bloomfield, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.